It's actually a hat. Okay, it's not a card. Oh, there's something inside the hat. What's this? Oh, guys, what color is this? It's black. Oh. Oh. Wow. All right. Okay. All right. And how about let's do this next magic? So this time, kids, do not try this at home because I will do a fire magic. Everybody say fire magic. Do not try this because this is a very dangerous magic. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So I have here a torch. Everybody say torch. Ayan. Gusto mo ito, kuya? Okay. Yes, do not try this at home. Teka lang, dito ko lang baka mamaya meron ditong alarm. Okay. What is this? It's a fluid. Everyone say fluid. Okay. Alright, so before I put some fluid. Okay. Okay, meron na. Very good. Thank you very much. Okay. Kasi you know guys, this fluid is a quick dry fluid because it is a flammable fluid. Kids, do not try this at home. Ready? Watch. I will eat the fire. Okay. Sige. I'm not going to eat this. I will do this na lang. Watch. Oh, it's very hot. Oh, all right. Up. Whoa. What's this? It's a bird. Okay, it's a dove. There you are. A friendly dove. Okay, so I think it's time to say goodbye to my little friend dove. Everybody say bye-bye, dove. Okay. Now we are going to make this dove disappear using